Welcome to the 5th of March Magic Mind. I'm gonna do a quick demo. So, as you all know, we do these monthly Magic Mind member voted workshops. And so last month we did this Unlock the Power of Storytelling in Your Content Marketing Strategy that everybody wanted to create a 12-week content marketing plan that incorporated 12 different stories that they'd be sending out weekly, bi-weekly, depending on what their newsletter goes out as. So this was the landing page for that. Yesterday, we did a session where we voted on all the different ideas for different workshops that I could facilitate to help people build skills. And the one that we came up with was to create your awesome opt-in and then to turn that into a 5 email series nurture sequence as people onboard into your ecosystem as the best way for them to get to know you, your point of view, who you are, what you do, where you come from, and how you can best serve them. So we wrote out all the intentions, which is really fun. So for anybody that's doing workshops and you have an audience that's captive, this I'm really loving this process of co-creating the curriculum for the workshop. So everybody was chiming in on what they would love to learn from this workshop. And so I copy and pasted this. I copy and pasted everything from this landing page as my template. And then I came into ChatGPT here and I said, here's my intended transformation for an upcoming workshop. Come up with a first draft landing page based on the intentions list below and my previous landing page to use as a template. Draft a title, tagline, intended transformation, who this workshop is perfect for. So here's the intentions. Here's the copy and paste, all the copy from my landing page. And then I will push the button and it will presto it out. Now, just a cautionary tale, I would never use exactly what it gives me. But what this does for me is it gives me a template that I can then duplicate this landing page, pop all the copy into this landing page, change out the banner image, and then I could go to town editing it and make it feel more like me because I haven't infused any of it with my own words, my own ways of explaining things. But it feels like a really great hack to just jump ahead and get a first draft done so that I can go through and edit it. Now, right here with the what you'll learn in this workshop, what is there? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. 9 points is way too many. Um, as you can see right here, there's 5. I would usually go 3 to 5, so I'm gonna get it to refine it here. Um, great. Make only 5 what you'll learn in this workshop. Bullets. Condense and refine those bullet points. There we go. So I'm gonna just get it to edit that. But the first draft is the hardest. So if you're somebody that really struggles with the first draft, with tools like this, you can literally just like write out all of your intentions. It doesn't have to be in any particular order. You can grab a landing page that you love. It doesn't even have to be your own and say, use this landing page. You could just come to my page here, copy and paste my whole landing page and say, use this landing page as a template for how I want my text to be laid out in the order. And then you can literally just put all of your ramblings in there and it will pop out a first draft landing page that you can then do the job of editing. So let's just see what we got here. The Ultimate Email Nurture Strategy Workshop. I can guarantee I will not call it that. Build deep connections, automate engagement, and turn your emails into a lead generating machine. So I don't like using the word lead generating because when you use the word lead, treating it dehumanizes the people that are on the receiving end of the emails that you're going to be sending out. And so I'm not sure what I'm going to call this, but right here, I've now got a first draft that I can start to refine and improve and add to my template here. So that's that. I just want to show you all in case, you've got a workshop that you got to make coming up here. And instead of banging your head against the wall to get a first draft out in 3 or 4 hours, as you saw, this has probably been 5 minutes. I have a first draft. I can now go make each section how I want it to read and what I want to say. And then we get to market and deliver it. So hopefully that was helpful for everybody.